Namaste students, we will see next topic, the animal disease caused by bacteria. What are the animal? It is the bacteria that is causing the animal disease. ஸோ பாக்டீரியானால் அனிமல்ஸ்க்கு என்னென்ன டிசீஸ் வருது அதான் இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறோம். த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் நேம் ஆஃப் த அனிமல், செகண்ட் ஒன் நேம் ஆஃப் த டிசீஸ் அண்ட் தேர்ட் ஒன் இஸ் த நேம் ஆஃப் த பேத்தோஜன். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆல்ரெடி what is the name of the animals? Yeah, courage. What is the name of the disease? Anthrax. What is the name of the pathogen? Bacillus anthracis. What is the name of the pathogen? Bacillus anthracis. Okay, next one is the cattle. What is the name of the disease? Brucellosis. What is the name of the pathogen? Brucelloabroctus. What is the next animals? Cattle. What is the name of the disease? Bovine tuberculosis. What is the name of the pathogen? Mycobacterium bovins. Already the human also, it is a bacteria is causing the tuberculosis. So tuberculosis also, it is a, what is the name of the bacteria? It is a Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The same only the cattle also is causing the tuberculosis. What is the name of the bacteria? Mycobacterium. It is the bovins. And next one also, it is a cattle. What is the name of the disease? Black leg. What is the name of the pathogen? Clostridium chavinoyi. Clostridium chavinoyi. Okay, this is the bacterial disease. Okay, we will see next topic is the human disease caused by bacteria. Human disease, it is caused by bacteria. ஹியூமனுக்கு பாக்டீரியானால் என்னென்ன டிசீஸ் வருது அதுதான் நம்ம இப்போ டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு ஒன் இஸ் த name of the disease and second one name of the pathogen. So first one is the cholera. The cholera, it is a, what is the name of the pathogen? Vibrio cholerae. What is the name of the pathogen? It is a Vibrio cholerae. Second one is the typhoid. Typhoid, already you know what is the name of the bacteria? Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi. Okay, next one is the tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is the TB. What is the name of the pathogen? Mycobacterium tuberculosis. What is the name of the bacterium? Mycobacterium tuberculosis. And next one is the leprosy. What is the name of the bacteria? Mycobacterium leprae. Mycobacterium leprae. And next one is the pneumonia. What is the name of the pathogen? Diplococcus pneumoniae. Diplococcus pneumoniae. The next one is the plague. What is the name of the pathogen? It is the Yersinia pestis. Yersinia pestis. And next one is the diphtheria. What is the name of the pathogen? It is the Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Corynebacterium diphtheriae. The next one is the tetanus. What is the name of the bacteria? It is the Clostridium tetani. What is Clostridium tetani? Okay. The next one is the food poisoning bacteria. So what is the name of the disease? Food poisoning disease. What is the name of the pathogen? Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium botulinum. The next disease name is the syphilis. What is the name of the pathogen? It is a Trophonema palladum. Trophonema palladum. So this is the human disease caused by the bacteria. What are the name of the disease? Cholera, typhoid, tuberculosis, leprosy, pneumonia, plague, diphtheria, tetanus, food poisoning and syphilis. Then name of the pathogen also. So the human, animal and plant disease is finished. And next one is the type of the bacteria. First one is the archibacteria. What is the name? Archibacteria. The archibacteria are the primitive prokaryotics. What is mean by prokaryotics? Prokaryotics mean, yeah, correct. Before nucleus, not well developed nucleus. are adapted to thrive. It is the extreme environment like hot spring, high salinity, low pH, and so this is the Acetobacter, so on. They were mostly, it is the hemoautotrophs. What is hemoautotrophs? Hemo means chemical, auto means troph, and auto means self, and troph means nourishment. Chemo means chemicals, auto means self, and troph means nourishment. The unique features of this group is the presence of lipids like glycerol isopropyl ether in their cell membrane. Cell membrane is the outer layer. Due to the unique chemical composition of the cell membrane, so resistance against the cell wall, antibiotics like lytic agents, example methanobacterium, halobacterium, and thermoplasma. Okay, the next one is the cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria, already you know, it is the blue green algae. Cyanobacteria, it is a one question. How old are cyanobacteria? The stromophilids reveals the truth. The stromophilids are the deposed formed when colonies of the cyanobacteria bind with the calcium carbonate. அது எதனாலனா calcium carbonateனால ஆனது. They have the geological age 2.7 billion years. Their abundance in the fossil record indicates the cyanobacteria helped in raising the level of the free oxygen in the atmosphere. So next one is the cyanobacteria. It is a continue. The cyanobacteria blue-green algae. The cyanobacteria are popularly called the blue-green algae. இது வந்து நம்ம நார்மலாகவே என்ன சொல்வோம்னா ப்ளூ க்ரீன் ஆல்கி சொல்வோம், இல்லைன்னா ஆர் சயனோபைசியே ஃபேமிலி. They were the photosynthetic. Photosynthetic means it is prepare the own food. Then prokaryotic organism, not well developed nucleus organism. According to the evolutionary record, the cyanobacteria are primitive forms and are found in different habitat. So this different type of the habitat also is present. Most of them are the freshwater. And few are the marine, and few only for the marine. So marine is the example also is present. It is a trichodecimium and dermocarpa. Trichodecimium and dermocarpa. Trichodecimium, it is a erythroceum, and cyanobacterium imports red color or the red sea. Red color to the red sea. இது பார்க்குறக்கு எப்படி இருக்குன்னா cyanobacterium red color to the red sea. The species, what are the other species? It is a gnostic anaphasiate of the endophytic life in the choroidal root to the cycas. Leaves of the aquatic form Azolla by establishing the symbiotic association of the atmospheric nitrogen. The members like the Glycopsila, Gnostic, Staphnonema are found in the pycobionts into the lichen thalic. So this is the cyanobacteria, this features. The next one is the general salient features. So the members of the group are the prokaryotic and the lack the motile. Motile means it is the movement. So one place to another place is the lack the movement and reproductive structure. The thallus is the unicellular and crocococcus and conical in Geocapsula, and filamentous is the trichome in the gnostic. The gliding movement is the notice, and some of the species. What is the species? Oscillatoria. Then protoplasm is differentiated into the central region called the endoplasm, and peripheral region is the bearing the chromatophore is called the chromatoplasm. And photosynthetic pigment include the C-picocyanin and C-picoerythrin along with the mysocytine and mysocyanophil. The next one is the receive the food material. It is a cyanophycean. It is the starch. And next one is in some forms the large colorless cells found in the terminal and intercalary position of the heterozygotes. They were involved in the nitrogen fixation. They were involved in the nitrogen fixation. They reproduce only through the vegetative methods and produce the akinetes. The akinete is the thick-walled dormant cell developed from this vegetative cell. And harmoconia, the position of the filament get detached to and reproduced by the cell division. The fission and the endospore. The presence of the mucilage around the thallus is present, but characteristic features is the group type. Therefore, the group is called the group type. So, group enna name? The name of the group is the Mysopiceae. What is the name of the group? It is the Mysopiceae. The sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction means the fusion of the male and female gamete is the absent. Then microcycus, it is aridogenosa, and Piscina, it is a flora aqua, cause the water bloom and release the toxin and affect the aquatic organism. ஸோ இது வந்து ரிலீஸ் பண்ணுது ஒரு டாக்ஸிக் மீன் இட் இஸ் அ பாய்சனை ரிலீஸ் பண்ணுறனால அந்த அக்வாட்டிக் ஆர்கனிசம் இருக்கிற அந்த பிளான்ட் அண்ட் அனிமல்ஸ் எல்லாமே அஃபெக்ட் ஆகுது. ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த salient features. Then one more, it is the salient features of the this one. It is most of them fix the atmospheric nitrogen and used as the biofertilizer, natural fertilizer. Example, Gnostic, Anaphasiae, Spirulina. Spirulina already you know it is rich in protein. It is used for the single cell protein. Yeah, correct. Then thallus organization and method reproduction is the given in figure. ஸோ தாலஸோட ஆர்கனைசேஷனும் மெத்தட் ஆஃப் ஃபிகரும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். The thallus organization is the this one only. Reproduction is the Cyanophyceae. First one is the Crocococcus. Coccus is the circular. This is the Crocococcus and Glycocapsula. And Gnostic and fission type of the Xenococcus and kinetics it is Anaphasiae and endosperm is the Dermacarpa. So this one only it is a cyanobacteria. And next one is the mycoplasm or mosiculus. The mycoplasm are very small, 1.5 to 0.5 μm. Plecomorphic are the gram-negative microorganism. The first isolated by the Knockout and the co-workers in the year in 1898. It is a phloral fluid. It is of the cattle. It affect with the bovine. It is a pneumonia. ஸோ ஃபிலோரல் அஃபெக்ட் இருக்கிறதுனால இது என்ன டிசீஸ் காஸ் பண்ணுதுன்னா ஃபிலோரோனிமோனியாவை காஸ் பண்ணுது. The lack the cell wall, outer layer is absent but is appear like the fried egg of the culture. The DNA contain the low, it is a guanine, and the cytosine contain then the true bacteria is present. The cause the disease of the animals and plant. The little leaf of the brinjal and leguminous and sandal spike and some of the plant diseases cause the mycoplasm. The pneumonia is caused by the mycoplasm mycots. The structure of the mycoplasm is present. What is the structure of the mycoplasm? This one only, it is a mycoplasm. Cell membrane is present. Cell membrane is the outer layer and ribosome also present and DNA strand also present. The next one is the acidomyces. Acidomyces is the acidobacteria. Okay. The acetobacteria, it is acetomyces, also called the ray fungi, due to the mycelia like the growth. They were the anaerobic condition, anaerobic or facultative anaerobic microorganism. Already you know anaerobic mean what is anaerobic? Yes, oxygen not utilize the respiration. It is the called the gram positive bacteria that do not produce the aerial mycelium. DNA contain the guanine and cytosine contain the streptomyces. Example, Frankia is the symbiotic acetobacterium which produce the root nodes and fix the nitrogen and leguminous plant. Example, it is alans and the Casuarina. They produce the multicellular sporangium, Acetomyces boviae. It is a oral cavities and it is caused the lymphy jaw. Streptomyces is the mycelium forming the acetobacter which live in the soil. இது வந்து எங்க இருக்கும்னா soil இருக்கும். What is this impact? It is a earthy odor. Odor means smell. To soil after rain, which is to the presence of the geomin, then volatile organic compound. Some important antibiotics, namely streptomycin, chloramphenicol, and the tetramycin produced from this genus. Okay, this is the acetomyces. Okay, thank you.